Fireman Sam and Tom Thomas were just about to go out in the helicopter when they tried to start it, but it wouldn't start. "Oh no," said Officer Steele. "I best call Mike Flood, 'cause he's a mechanic and he can fix the helicopter in super fast time." So he heads off to the phone and he calls for Mike Flood in his green van. So eventually they didn't have to wait long for Mike Flood to arrive, and when he got here he said, "What's the problem, guys?" "It's the helicopter, Mike. It won't start." "Really? We'll get on that now." "Hold on, guys. Try to start it again." "That doesn't sound good," said Mike Flood, so he started working on the helicopter and he lifted it up into the air to have a look underneath. "Oh, I can see the problem," said Mike Flood. "It's this pipe, look, it's loose." So it turns out that Mike Flood found the problem straight away. So he said, "Right, it should start now, guys, so give it a go." And they tried to start the engine. "Hey Pepper, watch out, are you okay?" And Pepper was fine. So working as a team, Mike Flood, Peppa Pig, Officer Steele, all managed to fix the problem. Fireman Sam and Tom Thomas found the problem. Officer Steele rang Mike, and Mike fixed it. "Great job, Mike. You really saved the day. Now the pontypandy helicopter can get back to work to its
Officer
rescue."
Steele, what are you up to? "Oh, I'm just got stuck on this road. These mega blocks are in my way, and we need to get past them. But have you guys got any ideas on how we can knock them down? Or maybe we could climb over them." "Don't climb over them," shouted Fireman Sam as he came in the monster truck fire engine. "Wow," said Officer Steele. "Look how big this is. It's huge." As Fireman Sam jumped out, and Sam said, "Look, we can use this to knock those mega blocks down." "What a great idea," said Officer Steele. "But there's so many. Do you think we can knock them all down?" "I definitely think we could," said Fireman Sam. "Come on, let's go." So they both jumped in to the monster truck fire engine and they tried to knock the mega blocks down. "See, Sam, I told you we could knock them down." Officer Steele, Fireman Sam, and Mike Flood were all outside looking at their vehicles, and they said, "Wouldn't it be a great idea to see whose is the fastest?" And Sam quickly jumped into Jupiter, and Mike followed, jumping into his van. But Officer Steele said, "Right, guys, I'll have to count you down and judge and see who wins." "That was a draw, guys. Come on, we need to go again." "Oh, good work, Sam. Let's try and beat each other this time. So let's get going. Come on, let's start our engines up." "Good job. Mike Flood won that race, Sam." "That's okay. Well done," said Sam. "You did really well. Don't forget, guys, be safe out there, 'cause driving has to be done by the professionals."
Hey Mike, are you okay in your van? Mike was great. Hey Sam, I can see you. Do you like my helicopter? Officer Steele, I'm gonna land now. Do you guys like the Pontypandy city?